Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This is known as the FY. What is the FY, you say? From Feiyu-tech G4 3-axis steady gimbal. Let's get started with this review. It's showtime! We have here in hand is the FY. It is a remote control. The instructions, they're pretty straightforward and very clear. You have a USB port, a cable, a remote control. Now on the instructions on the back, and I'll bring this pretty close to you, please pause the video at any given time so you can read that for yourself. It says single press heading follow mode, double press heading and pitch follow mode, 3 press inversion mode. Press for 1 second, heading, pitch and roll are all locked. Press for 3 seconds, standby mode, single press, immediate awakening or awaken immediately. Pitch up, pitch down, heading left, heading right, and the manufacturer name is feiyu-tech.com. Let's open up the package. There's really no need for me to bring the camera close to you because we're going to show you how to work this and demonstrate this. Pulling out the cable in hand. It's not hard to get out, but there's the cable, nicely wrapped. Taking out the remote control, nothing else is in the box or inside here. The remote control comes in a nice piece of soft foam. The only thing not given with the remote control is a lanyard strap. A strap goes right here. This is the bottom of the remote control. The lighted switch, the mode switch, faces up. There are 2 types of plugs here. A micro USB port and a mini micro USB port. Do apologize with the stuff I have on the table. The micro mini USB port will go into the gimbal with the wide side facing down. Do I have it right? Yeah, the wide side facing up. Do apologize. Don't force it in, but it will go in there. You can take the rubber band off. You could try to snake it through, make that your lanyard strap. It is a flat rubber cable. I'm going to turn my gimbal on at this given time. I'm going to put my handle on so I can demonstrate everything for you right here. Notice I have my GoPro cable. It is lit up, charging as we speak my GoPro. With the wide angle facing upward, we plug it into the gimbal. This should be lit, blinking for the modes as well as the light here. You would think that this light would stop blinking when the remote control will go on. Now the very first thing I want to do is see if this will go left. And it will go right, and it doesn't. Down, up, left, right. Double press. It's in follow me mode by going down, up, right, left. That won't work. So if you tilt the camera down, it's going to go down. You tilt it up, it will go up. Single press will get it back out of the mode. And it'll go up and down. Triple press should go invert. 1, 2, 3. Down, up. Ooh, there we go. Left, right. Single press, does anything happen? No. Triple press gets me out of it. It's already inverted. Double press, long press for 3 seconds will shut the gimbal off. Waking it up, 1 second press. Single press, double press, single press. There we have it. Now I went through all the controls, even though it said on the box heading left and heading right, which does not work. Maybe in newer firmware that will now be enabled in the near future to have this run. You can get yourself a rubber band, a strap, and you could drape this along the side. If you put both handles together, you can see how long the cable is. Almost enough for 3 poles. 2 things are missing from this. One was the Leonard strap, and the second would have been something to put on to the handle. So what can I put on the handle? Double-sided Velcro. Put this in a pocket. I'm most sure I could take the rubber band that is supplied, if I wanted to, and use it. Wrap it around the pole so it can hold the remote control on. There's a lot of things we can do, an inexpensive way of doing it, if you ask me. So there is one more thing I would like to add to this. Maybe they will come out with a silicone rubber case. I don't know. So I am going to shut things down at this given time by simply removing the pole. Look at it, it's wrapping up the wires. What are you doing, fish? Put everything down, unplug this. And one thing I did not show you guys. This is brushed aluminum. You can hear it. It's not made of plastic, and it has 3 screws, and it has the nice QC symbol for passing. I am very pleased with this product. I purchased this for under $25 and free shipping. Today it's selling for $32.80. Still, that is not a bad buy. It's better than paying $45 and free shipping. Now there's one more thing I may do, and I don't want to ruin my poles for it. Somehow fish the wires in the pole, have it come out the other end. My next pole, what I am going to try to do is drill a hole here, so it will come out and plug in there, and just have about that much wire showing in all of this wire. So I know you have many types of mods to do. You may want to put this one on your list. I want to thank you very much for viewing. I'm going to find out if there is a mod that will work for me. But hey, I'll tell you one thing. This was the correct way of using it, and take note of the stamp. It is upside down. The FY RC for the Feiyu FY G4. Thank you very much for viewing, and have a great day. Please rate, comment, like my buddy Ben Foreman would say, how he likes me saying, show some love. Sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Did you enjoy it? I did. I always watch my videos, try to make a better video. So once again, please rate, comment, and show a like. Have a great day.